Shopping vocabulary. Check prices. Search online. Browse catalogs. Make a shopping list. Compare products. Look for sales. Plan what to buy. Check discounts. Check coupons. Enter the store. Grab a cart. Grab a basket. Walk through the aisles. Browse items. Look around. Search for items. Check the label. Check the price tag. Read ingredients. Check size. Touch to check quality. Try on clothes. Try on shoes. Smell the product. Ask for help. Ask for another size. Hold the item. Test a sample. Ask for the price. Ask for offers. Scan the shelves. Choose a product. Select an item. Pick up an item. Add to basket. Remove from cart. Compare brands. Compare sizes. Compare colors. Check expiry date. Weigh fruits. Go to checkout. Scan items. Check quality. Check freshness. Count items. Pay with card. Pay with phone. Pay with cash. Insert card. Enter PIN. Pack the bag. Carry the bags. Leave the store. Browse the website. Search for products. Bag groceries. Wait in line.